Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Love and welcome to Private and PSU Jobs YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a private job update. The name of the organization is Somik ZF Components Private Limited. So now first let us discuss something about this organization. It is a leading automobile parts manufacturer company in India. It is India's largest manufacturer of steering and suspension ball joints. Its products are used in passenger cars, jeeps, and light commercial vehicles. So, this was something about this organization. Now, this job update will be applicable for BTech mechanical engineers only. So, those who are from other branches can refer this video to your mechanical friends. Now, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the latest job updates. So let us start. The link through which you will have to apply is given in the description box of this video. You will have to click on that link and you will reach the page that I am showing to right now. And we have reached the official website of this organization. Now I will move downward to show you some important things related to this organization. So I am moving downward. So these are the products of this organization, that is steering ball joints, suspension ball joints, control arm, stabilizer and link assembly, tie rod and drag link. So these are the products of this organization. Now I have mentioned something about this organization earlier. If you want to read more about this, then you can read from here. It is written in this paragraph, so you can read this. Now as you can see in the screen, these are the esteemed customers of this organization, that is Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Toyota, Renault, Nissan, Mahindra, Tata, Ford and so on. So these are the organization that takes automobile parts from the Somik ZF Components Private Limited. So it is a very reputed organization, and if you are eligible then you should definitely apply for this. Now let us move forward and discuss the vacancies that has came for this organization. You will have to click on this careers tab. I am clicking on this. Now new page has been opened. You will have to move downward and you can see lots of job has came recently. I will discuss only one job title with you in this video. I will discuss the job title, that is Graduate Engineer Trainee Mechanical Pass Out 2020 Gurgaon. So I am clicking on this. Now the new page is opened. As you can see in the screen, the name of the job title is Graduate Engineer Trainee Mechanical. The salary package will be 2,75,000 per annum and the job location will be Gurgaon only. Next, job description. So the job title that I have discussed above is Graduate Engineer Trainee Mechanical only. Both male and female candidates will be eligible for the job update, but you should be ready to join immediately. So note down this point. Next, qualification, only BTech mechanical will be eligible. So this is an important point. Next, batches, both 2020 batch and 2021 batch will be eligible for this, but 2020 batch will be given more preference. So note on this point also. Now next, number of vacancies. Number of vacancies are 2 only, but in this pandemic situation you should not see the number of vacancies, and if you have the desired skills then you should definitely apply for the job. And the desired skills that is required for the job are excellent communication skills, excellent presentation skills, good command over basic MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and if you have little bit knowledge of advanced Excel then that may be an added advantage. And next, good email writing skills will be preferred, and you should definitely have the excellent knowledge of basic mechanical concept. So these are the skills that is required for the job. Now one important point is there, that preference will be given to those candidates who have done their internship from any multinational company. So note down this point before applying. Now the selected candidates will have to undergo a practical training of 1 year on rotation basis in any one of these 5 departments, which are quality, production, production planning and control, purchase or supply chain management, and marketing. So you will have to undergo a 1-year training program in any one of these 5 departments. Now next, company's website. So this is the official website of this organization, so note down this. Next, after the successful completion of your 1-year training, you will be designated as section engineer as mentioned here. You can read this. Next, salary. So during your 1-year training program, you will be given 2,80,000 per annum CTC or 23,000 CTC per month approximately, which will also include all allowances. And after the confirmation of 1 year, you will be given 3,60,000 per annum CTC or 30,000 CTC per month approximately, which will also include all allowances. So this was the salary package of this. Now next, how to apply. I am clicking on this apply button. So it is written here that you can apply through Naukri.com or you will have to apply through the official website. You will have to enter your personal information like name, email ID, mobile number, current location, total experiences, and you will have to attach your resume as well along with this, and click on this submit button and your form will be submitted. So this was only one job update that I have discussed with you in this video. You can also search the other latest vacancies that have came in this organization. You will have to click on the back button. I am clicking on this. Now you will reach this page that I have shown to you earlier. 2 to 3 vacancies have came recently. You will have to search your desired job title based upon your branch, and if you are eligible then you should apply as soon as possible. So this was the job update that I have discussed with you in this video. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye. Take care.